Hey guys, I'm Tanya and I came to Canada in 2019 and graduated from Humber College in Canada in between the pandemic. I had expectations of my graduation ceremony to be this huge event where I get to dress up and I get to invite my family, see my friends, and just celebrate. But this is what I am getting instead. And the pandemic has changed everything a lot, and I'm just trying to enjoy the little ceremony that I'm getting and this little celebration by myself in my room. Totally not what I had imagined, but I guess this is what it is. And Humber was nice enough to send us a few goodies. So we have this class of 2020 here, and we have this which I'm wearing. We also have some decorations, so some props to click pictures with. And they're just going on with their speeches right now. There are a few performances, some songs playing and stuff like that. And then I think they're gonna go course by course and announce each person's name who graduated. That's it. That's all the ceremony is about. We actually did graduate long back, but we are having a ceremony right now. So this is it. I'll show you a few glimpses of it for you people to know how it's like graduating online. Hopefully most of you people who are coming here would come while the situation has become much better. It is becoming better every day. So hopefully you wouldn't have to have a graduation like this and you will have a full-fledged event. But this is what it is if you want to have a look. This is what Humber sent us to celebrate our graduation.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations to all of the graduates.
Congratulations to each of you.
So guys, this is how our name is going to show up over here. Just right there. Nobody announces it, nothing. It's
Today is a day of
just
celebration.
a
You
name.
have reached a
That's it.
milestone and
Guys, we made it!
Yeah, woohoo! Graduation!
Graduation! This was it guys, this was literally it. Stage पे जाना तो दूर की बात है, but they didn't even call out our names. They didn't even call out our course name. It was literally me staring at a screen full of names till my course came up. So I'm not blaming anyone for this. It was just the situation जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ. And honestly, coming abroad, studying abroad had been my dream since a very long time, and I got to do it. I just sometimes feel bad that I couldn't enjoy the whole thing completely. कुछ चीज़ें थी which I missed out on. One being I was always excited about the graduation and just throwing my hat up in the air, and this is what I got instead of that. I would still say I was one of the lucky people जिनको actually in class अपने friends को मिलने मिला, and a part of her course was in class. So I still consider myself lucky on that. But graduation एक ऐसी चीज़ थी which I had been looking forward to since a very long time. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. Anyway, congratulations to me and all of the other people who have graduated in these difficult times. This just shows one of the so many things that people are missing out on because of this pandemic. Good news is that things are getting better every day, and Canada में cases कम होते जा रहे हैं. Things are slowly opening up. सो आई सी अ रे ऑफ होप एंड होपिंग कि अभी जो स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं कनाडा में उनके लिए एवरीथिंग ओपन्स अप एंड एटलीस्ट यू गाइज गेट टू एन्जॉय योर क्लास एंड योर ग्रेजुएशन. So good luck on that. And this was it, guys. This was just me showing my graduation, me sharing my happiness with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you like such videos talking about my daily life and just showing you glimpses of my life, then let me know. I'll try to make more of those. And till then, guys, stay safe and take care. Bye.